Why did Alexander try out for the choir? A. Because he has a terrific voice. B. Because he loves to sing. C. Because he practiced hard. Or D. Because he was good friends with Kevin. As we've seen, the answer is B. Because he loves to sing. Throughout the text, we see proof that Alexander loves to sing, including in the first paragraph, which tells us he simply liked singing, and in the sixth paragraph, where he says, "I just really enjoy singing." Moreover, the other choices don't have proof backing them up in the text. It can't be because he has a terrific voice, because Mr. Robeson tells him, "Your voice isn't the best I've ever heard." We don't see proof that he practiced hard, as again, the text tells us he simply liked singing, and he couldn't have cared less what he sounded like. We also don't see proof that he was good friends with Kevin, as the text tells us normally Alexander just ignored him. Therefore, we can mark B, because he loves to sing, as our final answer.